फाटले कितलेशीच दीस अंजुणा वाठारांत सावंड पोल्युशन म्हूण थळाव्यांच्यो कागाळी. कांय म्हयन्यां पयलीं अंजुणा पंचायतीच्या ग्रामसभेत सावंड पोल्युशना वयल्यान एकामेकाचेर हातूय घातिल्ले. आतां प्रकरणांचेर नजर दवरूंक हायकोर्टान खासा समिती नेमल्या.
Noise pollution matter, the court has appointed a new committee for monitoring of noise pollution in Anjuna. Two committee members are one Gerald Fernandez and one Kamlakan Naik. These two private members are appointed by the court, and it will consist of a device P North will be also part of this monitoring committee. This monitoring committee will conduct surprise visits. They will also chalk out a strategy to control the monitoring of the noise pollution, and they will report to the court what are the measures and what are the violations which are taking place in Anjuna, and that is the order that is passed. We were waiting and we were finalizing names for a long time, but today somehow the court has finalized these names, and at least as far as this issue is concerned of appointment of monitoring committee is concerned, that has been completed by the High Court.
Sir, this committee will be of how many members?
There are totally 3 members, as I told you. One is the device P and other 2 are
Now,
private members.
this committee has to be notified.
No, there will be an order. This is appointed by the High Court now. So
Okay.
once the High Court appoints, it can start right now. From
Now-
today itself, it can start.
And they have to submit the compliance report to the court.
Yes, they will have to report. As I told you, they have to prepare a report and submit it to the court from time to time.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.